Otaferwa.
Hello, my beautiful people. I got it. Yeah, this is your girl, the beautiful one, Lala the Vibe with.
The one
program. Monday to Friday, Rockman's Apokora Katan. Ageihangwe 19.06.2025.
Yes, I hope one chake shangura kwenda tukakakuterera ntuturu butono ninga shichi
live
ahativiwe
kantu kakwiraho na vibe.
Yes.
Hey,
we love you so much. Stay tuned to Bakunda.
Bye bye.
Na kwa chiro makuru Ageihangwe amazina Mbabazi charity kandi rizoba ne 2019 bikwa mkaga 2025 ishahani mshanju kandaga makuru Ageihangwe umbwijire. Hari umwisho w'imyaka 15 batanzire bakaheza bakamwita umurikako bambarara abaturana bagira ngo byo kwerinda umuceke ecine bibi kandi nshongereza urukwende biragiro kwayiyongera wirabwashesha.
Kujabatura nabebembeze bwabaho omukiro ekyabushishira izoba omu Alliance Kakoba aho murembo rwambar
murebo misho wena norai nebironda na maguru wena eshagameriyo ne rukeru kurugombo kazi kandi kutwaza kweshanga rubazo aha twasangaho umwanya guba mwitireho bakwasire nitaka naho bahakinga kunkishaga munogere biryabera hari yahi bamutire bamukirije batekaho buteka
mwana wa mwitani
nambogo nuliyati
adai ni myaka ngemeka
yakali 16
mama wene tata baba itani
tata we bamuyita Faruku Nyanzi Faruku mama we ye namulabako omulundi gumusimumanyi
hona nabazire abanagirire obujinanze wabo bashabwa okwijuka emyoga yabo
zikyendaba obuga yabo mbazadde bujitiri kubanga bwempema omwana oyo emyaka gyalina mito nnyo okubeera nti kusaaweeza abadde talina bazadde be oba n'abo abamukwatako abalina omulabirira n'olwekyo kikolwa kibi tukivumirira naye ng'ate kikwata nnyo ku baani abalabirira abaana kibadde kyetaaga emisomo gigendemu abantu naye kale ng'omuzadde yadde teyeetaaga kusomesebwa kulabirira mwana naye basuddeyo gwa naggamba tebafudde ku baana zo si ssaawa za mwana muwala kuba wabweru ate n'ekirala batuyambe tulina abantu abatategerekeka bangi twajjirwa visionaries naye tutumanyi kiki kyeri buli omu akola kyayagala twetaaga mezo operation ez'amaanyi kuba singa zibaawo oluusi bayinza otuyamba ne batukwatira abantu abo abatambula mu ssaawa ezo abamenyi b'amateeka.
Mwe nosanga omulyango gumu gwensi harimu abaana bakurenga 20 barandrods mutuyambe nitwe tubone kubayamba mureka kutubonabonesa abo kubimo mukombeka
okugira abatura abyokwerinda bashimira kongera amana omupatoro na munongombure bukiro abukuba amagara gabinji gari harateze
byokwerinda ate wano byo mubutuufu amazima galiwo tewali n'akamu kuba bw'okeerebwa muno gya ssaawa 4 ne 3 bakutema ne ku 4 bakutema so okwerinda wano tewali wadde abantu basula batambula paka kuwulira bubi paka so wano tewaliwo okwerinda kwamu poliisi gye tulina kuliko abapoliisi batini ate tebasobola kumala so weetaagayo nga basulamu batuwe bato nga bayitaayitamu kuba sentulo nnene nnyo ate tulina poliisi positi ntono nnyo basirikale batono
polisi kuruga kitebe kikurumbara yayiko omwanya ogu omubiri gw'omwisiki yagutwara omukabafu ahirwaro lya Mbabazi General Referral Hospital obo n'okukyondooza kurugumizamu abwa TV West ndisenyomo Gideon
Senyomo Gideon bitago n'amakuru mabi. President Yoweri Museveni ayihanangiriza polisi n'abaramuzi omucange campiki y'okugumizamu bari kurwanisa ebihagaro konka bagende empora hanshonga y'okwenkoza ebihagaro bond. President Museveni ayina amasiko ngu enkoza ebihagaro zimwa bond omuhendo gw'ebihagaro nigwija kucendera omwihanga.
Abena mayiro tayo kurwanisa obworo Banyayuganda n'okushizima enkola ya PDM omucanga campigi.
Ekitundu ekimu kwe kulaba nti tewali ntalo nti agezaako kuleeta entalo wano tumusanyawo. Ekyo kyo tekirina kizibu kyonna. Amagye gammwe g'amaanyi buli asumwasumwa okuleeta entalo oyo Magombe.
Asimira abantu omucanga eki ahabw'okuhagira NRM kandi yabaraganisa ngu gavumenti yahereze kutaho pulani y'okurwanisa okwiba obururu omwihanga.
Kubanga bw'oyogera bingi abantu basobola okulemwa okumanya ekikulu n'ekitonoko. Okusooka ettoffaali lya Uganda lya NRM lyetadde ku Uganda ly'ettoffaali ery'eddembe.
Hona President nagira obwo gavumenti eyehiireyo okurwanisa obworo abantu nabo batakagihenda enteje.
Kati bw'oba ku ddembe ekigambo ekirala kye tusa kwesira yenkulaakulana. Enkulaakulana bye bintu ebikwata ku ffenna. Enguudo, amasanyalaze, amazzi, essimu, amasomero, amalwaliro.
President omurutaroru abirashendekerezibwa abebembezi kandi bamusimire ab'omurimo muhango ogu ogwariyo nakora kusimura Abanyayuganda kuruga mu bworo.
Amagara abantu gakyuse, obulamu bw'abantu bukyuse, si lwa PDM yokka naye n'olw'ebyo yokka. Ebyo byonna by'ebirungi by'otukoledde. Bali NRM otukoledde ebirungi. Nsaba tuwagira NRM kubanga ebirungi bikyaliyo era gakyali mabaga.
Banampigi omukulembeze w'eggwanga amaze ennaku 3 ng'ali wano ali naffe mu nnimiro. Alambudde ennimiro, alambudde emirimu gya gavumenti egikolebwa mu kitundu kino era azze olwaleero okwogerako eri ffenna ng'abantu ba NRM ate ne bannayuganda bonna bakulemberanga President
Museveni akatandika entayayezi omwaka oguhwire gurukwa kandi atayayire byange birumu Greater Masaka, Bugisu, Bukedya, Buteso, Sebeyi, Karamoja, Lango, Acholi, West Nile, Rwenzori, Ankole, Toro na Bunyoro. Gashakwa Abdukalim Sengendo.
Omuganda makuru ekitongole kirikushunanizibwa n'omushekye gw'okuragwamu amajuta agatajegine ogwa East African Crude Oil Pipeline bakwataniise na Safeway Right Way batongwize hururu y'okucendeza obutandu omu district ezirije kuragwamu omushekye ogu.
Ehururu y'okurwanisa butandu mu districts ezirikurabwamu amajuta agatajegine etongozibwe haba East African Crude Oil Pipeline hamwe na Safeway Right Way kandi neetwa Road Safety Campaign neza kukora mu district nka Hoima, Kikuve, Kakumiro, Kyankwanzi hamwe na Moende okumara emyezi 17.
Tugenda nakubanga tukolagana n'abasirikale aba traffic okuba tulongera okulaba abantu basinga kufiira mu kifo ki era tuyinza kukolawo ki tuze kugamba okusomesa abantu baffe kika ki eky'abantu abafa boda obatambuza bigere baana kusomero tugeze kugamba bonna tugeza ko batuukirira mu communities eyo gye bali.
You find that along that stretch already work is going on and camps have been put up. These camps take also a lot of work into them, a lot of people coming together to put these things together, and you find that every day you're seeing at least a truck carrying pipes, a truck taking something. It's why even the mayor was saying, I saw a truck and I think it was attached to the project because they are moving everywhere.
Meya w'ururembo rwa Hoima Brian Kabuyo nagira ngo tubacyenda kureba motoka empanga ezirikuba zekorire emishekye zirikuraba mu nguto eziri hagati mu tawuni.
So we need police not only to be on highways, let's also be in the middle of town where people are abusing the road because some of these accidents happen within the town. The other day also the trailer of cement caused an accident and we lost 2 people.
You find a trailer coming, bringing the cement, and it parks on the other side. Inside there's also another store. So you find there's the double parking. When you come to check this one, it will tell you what about the other one. So we get a challenge.
Meya nashaba polisi okubahwera okwata emotoka ezi zirashangwa omu rurembo.
But also we need the support of the police because time and again road users, those using the cars, we find they are parking on our walkways, meaning we are creating a vulnerability to those people who are walking.
Traffic is increasing every day in our areas, not because of oil and gas only, but because the area is growing. What used to say it is a village, it's now an urban center. What used to see a village where there's no motorcycle, there's no vehicle. But now in all villages we have vehicles, we have motorcycles.
Eno kabasude huri omuhwezi wa mukuru w'abakozi ahabwa district ya Kyankwanzi nagira ngo hashemerire kuba hebiragiro by'amani okurwanisa butando mu Kyangeki.
But you could see that sanity had actually returned, especially Kampala. Would watch sometimes on TV, you would see people following the rules, driving at 30 kilometers per hour. You would see sanity. Otherwise, I don't know how much would have sacrificed, because I think we have sacrificed a lot.
Ripoti ya butande yashohozibwa mwaka gw'2023 neyoreka ngo abantu 126 bari hagati y'emyaka 29 baferiro mu butandu omu district eziri kutimba mu majuto mu Bunyoro. Amakuraga gashakwa Ambrose Nuwagaba Katoto.
N'amakuru agaheru ku Maha TV West.
Omwana yawangudde asomera ku somero ki?
Kamonkoli College.
Wawulidde otya bwe bakukubidde essimu ne bakugamba nti owangudde school fees w'omwana wo wa mwaka mulamba?
Kale okusooka n'abaddemu okutya nenti akati n'atuusa awantu omwana wange n'angumya n'agamba bino byalaali tugende
ngolooza byabafere kale ano ssaawa iki newafugiriza kintu kituufu
isa n'asanyukire kuba n'adabu
naye nga kende kuwulira zinduulu dda kale sita emu 65 sita 80 hash ne bakuleetera options n'olondako pay school fees.
okwayahayanira entebe y'obwa meya bwambarara kuriyo ni kosya TV West yakuretera ikiganiro eki butunu aho turashutamise bona abesimbira bwa meya bwambarara city twegiteho ubwo bari kutumurikira enteekateeka zabo ezibinire ekibuga cyawe otaferwe ikiganiro eki okure enteekateeka z'abantu bawe rero ukabona okukora okusharamu okwikire ukarona umwebembezi orakuretera entunguka ekiganiro eki nikije kubaho urwo kubanza ebirabe na bishatu by'ukwa mukaga 2025 shahina zakiro butunu ahambeho za TV West twegiteho okore okusharamu okwikire kikwikibwaho aba Flax Digital Production abineza screen impango rwiguga ezokoresa omikoro yona kubayikirira tera note umushanje notemwe ashatu nishatu inshanjo nemwe not hamwe na Acacia Country Inn abinobuhereza bwa hoteli n'umwanya go kwereramo imikoro.
Here's your chance to win school fees for your child for a whole year. Just pay. Dial *165*80#. Select option 2 for school pay. Select option 1 to pay school fees. Enter the student number and amount and approve the transaction. You are now entered a draw to win school fees for your child for a whole year.
Otaferwa
abataka nani nteekateeka mazima tukore hakajenyi kake katakutuhenda kandi akajenyako katabura mamarwa
niwe naza kubahereza enkoko 3 eziraribwa abajenyi
umushango gw'enkoko ezuwa
reka ndeteye ebitoki nk'10 n'esano yimwe abataka mu nkwasi
amakaga kanga
kandi nenye nomangu baro bampa omukazi kandi wabusha
nshobangirirwa shi
agarhanga omukazi wabusha ataro nkoko ataro mbuzi ataro honte utagira omuntu ono wagambira ekintu eki nangwa kumumanyisa buniye nakugambira nakweshengereza aba nacerebera ekyo tikakikora kasha
omakaga ngendoranda
love you, sweetheart. Shobanjirirwe. I love you.
Okwa mukago oku nitwisha kuba nitujaguza kiro echa World Environmental Day ahabo kugira ngo TV West etwire na inageza programs zo kurinda eby'ubuhangwa ebiro 30 byokweza kwa mukaga nitwisha kuba niturangirira umusingizi w'impaka z'amashomero agarabega kuzireje omukuhangahanga w'ibyishongoro narishe bitebyo ebikwasira kurinda eby'ubuhangwa ishomero rasinje ebirabona byinje bonishiwuri inzireje reka twatanise omukurinde eby'ubuhangwa byitu ahabwanyensi yakubanonje bishagiciro aba beige abaruguza no kugura amataka muka Generation Development Group abari kurinda eby'ubuhangwa bwensi hamwe na Mizabibu Gardens abino buhereza burunji ubwa hotel hamwe n'umwanya wo gukoreramo imikoro.
Omakora gaheru President wa America John Donald Trump ayiciriza entebe kanisa sokurumba Iran konka takakozero kusharamu kwa muheru kurujira hari report.
Report yashohora neyoreka ngo America netebekanisa kutera omwanyo gwa fodo oguryo kuzimu kandi gubikwamo byo bwiga ebya uranium ebirukoresebwa okora bomb za nuclear omuyihanga rya Iran. Izoba lya nyuma y'abazyo omwebembezi wa Iran Ayatollah Ali Khamenei arabwira Amerika obutezwanzya mu rutaroru orya hagati ya Iran na Israel ngo ahabwo kuba nikija kongera kusheshesha gama.
Ceasefire. We're long beyond ceasefire. And I said, why do you say that? Why would you say ceasefire? It's a bad term to use. Because a ceasefire means like everything's going swimmingly, we'll take a little time off. It's not. We're not looking for a ceasefire. We're looking for a total, complete victory. Again, you know what the victory is. No nuclear weapon.
البته آمریکایی‌ها اونهایی که با سیاست‌های این منطقه آشنا هستن میدانند که ورود آمریکا در این قضیه 100% به ضرر اوست. اونچه که او در این زمینه ضربه خواهد خورد به مراتب بیشتر است از اونچه که ایران ممکنه صدمه بخوره. صدمه آمریکا اگر ورود در این میدان بشه، ورود نظامی در این میدان بمانه، صدمه جبران ناپذیری خواهد بود بدون تردید.
amerika okusharamu okutahirira Iran n'obwanyuma y'okubashaba okurekera okuteera emizinga yabo muri Israel kwonka bakanga ngu bono baza kurwanisa Israel nibenda batarikwenda.
The skies over Tel Aviv ablaze. Explosions heard and plumes of smoke visible after Iran fired hundreds of ballistic missiles towards Israel. Retaliation for Israel's attack on Iran, which began the day before.
Hatwireho ebiri kugamba ngu Amerika neyambaho Israel okuteera Iran kwonka Amerika eri kugira ngu neefaho abantu baayo abari kutuura muri Iran kwonka okurangirira okutahirira n'okuteera emyanya y'omugasho omu ihanga rya Iran nikyoreka ngu Amerika eri enyuma ya Israel omu rutaro oru. Amahanga gombi nigagumizamu kushengurana kandi abantu bariyo nibafa obwo abandi bari kuhutaara kandi emizinga negwa nk'enjura omu mahanga gombi.
But while the world's focus switches to the conflict with Iran, bodies continue to fall in Gaza. These are the first images we've been able to get out of the besieged area since the internet went down on Thursday. According to our local sources, these were people injured at an incident near a food distribution centre in central Gaza this morning. 90 people have lost their lives here in the last 48 hours, say the Hamas-run Gazan Health Authority. The reach of this conflict growing only wider every day.
Pete Hegseth omuhandiki w'ebyokwerinda omu gavumenti ya Trump nagira ngu Pentagon etebeekanisa okukora kyona eki President araragiire. Aba nibagira ngu batebeekanise enyonyi endwani ebikompora n'emizinga okutahirira ihanga rya Iran President Donald Trump yaheza okubiikiriza. Iran yaferirwa abantu 585 kandi Israel eferirwa abantu 24. Amahanga gombi nigarwanira okuba bakirman omu kyanga kya Middle East.
A barrage of incoming threats.
Oriyo noreba makuru agaheru omukashonshoro chekitu twakuretera ecome kiri kurwanisa obuhenda biragiro kandi ecome eki kikorirwa omu ihanga rya America kandi nikyetwa Through Vision n'ekigendererwa ky'okurwanisa obuzahambukire. Ecome eki nikireba omunda y'omubiri gw'omuntu kandi nikikorera omu miti 10. Through Vision nekoresa technology ya thermal imaging na passive terahertz technology kandi nikibaasa okukora n'abantu 10,000 omudakiika 30.
abazahambukiye n'abandi bantu abakubaza kwenda kukora kabi omuntu wa burijo erizo omusayansi na tekinologiya twakuretera ekyoma ekibayeta Through Vision.
Here we can see Mark at about 7 meters away from the camera with a clear, obvious anomaly on his chest area, a large black item.
Ekyoma eki nikiweera omuntu wa burijo na munonga abarinzi b'obusinge okumanya ebyo ebirikufa omuntu ogwe ariyo nakirabamu. Omubugufu ekyoma eki nikizima ebyo eby'omuntu ajwire naye aba abitira omunda omu mubiri. Abahango bamu eki bakyeta hidden body scan. Omuntu yaba ayine ebiisi n'ebindi bintu nk'ebyakabi aha mubiri gwe ekyoma eki nikiweera abarinzi b'obusinge okubimanya.
Excuse me, sir, you seem to have something in your upper left breast pocket area.
Mark takes out a packet of cigarettes.
So we can clearly see that's now gone, so I've resolved that alarm. But Mark, you've also now got something in your left-hand pocket down there. Can you take that one out?
This time, it's a large bag of sweets.
But we still have one more item. We can see something over on his front of his left-hand leg. So maybe show us what that is, please, Mark.
On this occasion, Mark's concealing a knife.
Ekyoma ekyokurugirira bakikozire kyeka kushizima nikitandikira aha mutwe okwika aha kigyere. Abakikozire n'Abamerika obakwatanise n'aba Transportation Security Administration omugufu abababeta TSA. Ekyoma ekyatiragamba barino bakikozesa omuri Amerika nibakikozesa munonga ahari gaari z'omwika abokuba ebyokusikaninga kw'ekikeeki bibiire bitariyo. Eby'ekyoma eki tukabigamba okabiheza bitu nibasa kugira ngu eki ekyoma nikibasa kukyebera omuntu n'ebyo byona byayine otamwirire hihi ekirikumanyisa ngu noba noyetambira nk'omuntu nakyabaho okahika ahari ogwe owakwenda kukora akabi. Eki kibasa kukyebera omuntu ogw'okuteekateekaho kuba ari wakabi omu mita 10. Omu dakiika 30 ekyoma eki nikibasa kukora aha abantu 20,000 ekimanyisa ngu waba okiine nk'agaari y'omwika omu bus park conference aha myaro zete boda nari omu bishaayi by'enyonyi. Eki kyoma nikyo kirungi kiwakubasa kukozesa okwera aha bintu na munonga kyahika mbikwatirine n'ebyokwerinda. Awa TV West ndisenyomo Gideon.
Webaresenyomo Gideon gabagari amakuru g'ihangwe ntwejagaraka n'agasenjeresha ibirizo mwebaziyo n'abantu Mbabazi Charity cyamshana ekubere nungi.
Otaferwa.
Hello, my beautiful people. Agandi, Yaho, this is your girl, the beautiful one, Lala the Vibe with.
The one country
program. Monday to Friday, Rockman's Apokora Katan.
Shaham Shanjnechweka Mpaka.
Shaham Mwenda Ageihangwe.
Yes, I hope one shake Shangara Korkwenda. Tukakakuterera ntuturu butono ninga shichi
live
aha TV West.
Can't kokera hona na vibe.
Yes.
Hey,
we love you so much. Stay tuned to Bakunda.
Bye bye.
okwayahayanira entebe y'obwa meya bwambarara kuriyo ni kosya TV West yakuretera ekiganiro ekye butunu aho turashutamise bona abesimbira bwa meya bwambarara city twegiteho ubwo bari kutumurikira enteekateeka zabo ezibinire ekibuga cyawe otaferwe ekiganiro eki okure enteekateeka z'abantu bawe rero ukabona okukora okusharamu okwihikire ukaronda omwebembezi orakuretera entunguka ekiganiro eki nikije kubaho urwo kubanza ebirabe na bishatu byo kwa mukaga 2025 shahina zakiro butunu ahambeho za TV West twegiteho okore okusharamu okwikire kikwikibwaho aba Flex Digital Production abineza screen mpango rwiguga ezokukoresa omikoro yona kubayikirira tera note mushanje notemwe ashatu nishatu inshanjo nemwe not hamwe na Acacia Country Inn abinobuhereza bwa hoteli n'umwanya go kwereramo emikoro
okwa mukagoko nitwisha kuba ntushaguze kiro echa World Environmental Day ahabo kugira ngo TV West etwire na inageza programs zo kurinda by'ubuhangwa ebiro 30 byokweza kwa mukaga nitwisha kuba niturangirira umusingizi w'impaka z'amashomero agarabega kuzireje omukuhangahanga w'ibyishongoro narishe bitebyo ebikwasira kurinda by'ubuhangwa ishomero rasinje ebirabona byinji bonishiwuri inzireje reka twatanise omukurinde by'ubuhangwa byitu ahabwanyensi yakubanonje bishagicira aba beige abaruguza no kugura amataka Muka Generation Development Group abari kurinda by'ubuhangwa bwensi hamwe na Mizabibu Gardens abino ubuhereza burungi ubwa hotel hamwe n'umwanya wo gukoreramo imikoro.
Okwenda kwanjira umuhereza umbyemizano otaferwa program y'akadirisa buri rwa kashatu turi kwishaho ibyafayo by'abazani n'ibiri kubakwataho. Akadirisa nikakorwa ganda mazoba arwo kubanza no rwa katano kugashamwenda okwisa shamwenda necwe kazihangwe aha TV West nehinda.
Here's your chance to win school fees for your child for a whole year. Just pay school fees used. Dial *165 *80 hash. Select option 2 for school pay. Select option 1 to pay school fees. Enter the student number and amount and approve the transaction. You will now enter the draw to win school fees for your child for a whole year.
Werarenko mwerere no mfaratsi gw'omutendo kandi nuguhanga omugongo ombero gurukushasha okubya
and Sanyuka Prime for Luganda commentary effective 13th June. Subscribe for 2 months or 2 weeks and get upgraded 2 bouquets higher. When you pay for Nova, you enjoy basic or smart bouquet. That's not all. Watch the Miss Uganda 2025 starting on the 27th of June only on Star Times Makura Chika. Go Star Times. Buliomo Munene.
Igana katwanyizibire Radio West gamba mpre ni radio ruleta ntunguka kandi ariko zururimi rwawe okutungura no kucyamura abantu okurabira mu programs zitare zimwe na zimwe eina makuru music nungi obuzano bwo kusingura sente n'abahereza abo mutano ijoranyisa ha Radio West omanyiso bukikuru bw'abantu ebyo rukora hatkwatira Radio West aho rihona mbarara igana katwanyizibire kabare 94 katonyezishatu Masaka igana mukaga katonyezmukaga Kampala 95 akatonyezi 2 Fort Poto 91 akatonyezi not Radio West Gambambre.
Azenebaza nnyo Red Cross yetuyigiriza mu biseera bino okusinziira ndi etuyigiriza waliyo bannafu abavuga obubi ku makubo okwo ku nguudo ez'obiki ne tulaba Red Cross bwe yatuyigiriza okusoma ne tusoma kiki first aid kyeki tuyambyeko okusinziira nga bwe kiri kubanga njebaza nnyo.
Prudential. Let's live life together. Tulinawe.
Ahundi kugambira nguto zona zorechero kwa Kampala. I've got Medrotex Americana live in Kampala. Kazara boy. Obga bitebeka nisibwa shiny event. Sebera na mushanji bikwa kwa mukago mwako. Our new club obligato Bomber Road. Ahasungi na Norvik Hospital. Okutama mutwaro kumwe. VIP ne mutwaro ebi. Gold tebe mutwaro 50. Kandi platinum tebo. Million mwayonka. Okora booking zero kumanya kushiraho. Zero mushanji 83. Anane mwi 10 mukaga na mwenda. Shajugwe Pepsi. TV West. St. Lawrence University, Aquafina, Inspire Africa Group, Night Breweries Limited, Tim Bakery, Starbucks, DBC Events, Shemi Products, Manzi Woods, SMP Tours, Wonders Beauty Products, Simbrembaras Kweshanja Obligato.
Sente zawe kutunga magoba omugasho gw'okugaburira ente ebyokulya by'enekiriisa okutasenta omu byokulya birungi by'ente izoba nikikuleetera amagoba amarungi nyenkya
Wedding is just the beginning. Don't miss the Bride and Groom Expo from 27th to the 29th of June 2025 at the Uma Multipurpose Hall. Under the theme, Beyond I Do, building a lifetime together. Come and get tips, products and services you need for I Do and everything after. Tickets are only 10,000 shillings per day. To book a stall, call 0772 350 940. The Bride and Groom Expo is brought to you by Vision Group, Pepsi, Bella Wine and Luke's Bespoke.
Omwegesa murungi nabasa kuhindura amagara g'umwana kandi omwegesa murungi munonga nabasa kuhindura amagara g'abatura yegita New Vision obwo turi kusima abashomesa b'omutano omupaka zite za buri mwaka eza Teachers Making a Difference Awards numanya omwegesa w'umuhangu owa primary and secondary uw'ishomero rya gavumenti oringira acyashemere kuba nakora omukushagika eby'obwegese hereza y'izina rye abase kubagana ari shiringi miliyoni 5 hamwe n'uruzinduko buri kimwe cyona cyashurirwe okuzomo Ireland sindika izina ry'inebere kumukwataho ubutarenze ibirashe na kimwe ibyo kuba mushanjoku ahari mwarimu @newvision.co.ug ninga SMS na WhatsApp ahari not mushanjo not anana mushanjo ananemwe 95 Teachers Making a Difference Awards zishagicirwe Embassy ya Ireland Travel Care na New Vision, Uganda's leading daily.
It's a FlexiPay cashback explosion. Shop and pay with your FlexiPay. Cashback. Instant. It's a FlexiPay cashback explosion.
It's a FlexiPay cashback explosion. Simply shop and pay with your FlexiPay at activating outlets and enjoy instant cashbacks. Terms and conditions apply. Stanbic Bank is regulated by the Bank of Uganda, and customer deposits are protected by the Deposit Protection Fund up to 10 million Uganda shillings.
Uganda mwenna mwebale kusima abakyogera Hub Products olw'okufufuggaza endwadde z'ensusu zonna tunyiriza abato n'abakulu era basimye empeereza yaffe tuleese ebipya ku katale omuli kyogero vitamin Jelly Pink ono ng'anyiriza ate era nga jjanjaba. Never give up till you reach your goal.
Okay mama, I'll be strong and go so far, lasting long like this geisha bar. It's strong and lasts long like geisha.
Tayari curry powder akanzari tayari katwire ne karibwa kandi kari kwesigwa okurenza emyaka 20 mu katale. Teka ebyo kulya byawe orukosa kanzari katayari curry powder.
Omwana yawangudde asomera ku somero ki?
Kamonkoli College.
Wawulidde otya bwe bakukubidde essimu ne bakugamba nti owangudde school fees w'omwana wo wa mwaka mulamba?
Kale okusooka n'abaddemu okutya nenti akati n'atuusa awantu omwana wange n'angumya n'agamba bino byalaali tugende
ngolooza byabafere kale ano ssaawa iki ne wafugiriza ekintu kituufu
isa n'asanyukire kuba n'adabula
naye nga kendi kuwulira zinduulu dda kale sita 165 680 ne bakuleetera options n'olondako pay school fees.
Omushongi nugukushyibwaho
Prudential. Let's live life together. Turi nawe.
Ukolagana ne Harapa Travel Consultants. Gaba mazanyu merere. Bakugobera ku visa eya UK, US, Canada, Europe, Dubai na walala.
nichirani kurona ndikutuketu tomtima kuno. Where are you? You a boo wanye. Nichirani kurona ndikutuketu tomtima kuno manyakuna getu.
It's another thing to make you feel irate. Make a ton great brand new style. Can't better thing, can't better thing.
Alpha music. Alright, oh my beautiful, where are you?
Where are you?
Abatai, ninkuromtima kwa muza, where are you? Alright, oh my beautiful, where are you?
Where are you?
Abatai, ninkuromtima kwa muza, where are you? Iwa mataka nyina merana, omugabe kazi hatari muzana. Ndi wanyu karu nini nona, ninono muni. Kasi beshozi ningwa nintekwa kutema nintekwa kushuma. Karubare nintekwa kujena ninyenda kurona. Teka tulibida the sun. Every green leaf has today. Uniwe mshana kwanje ugunshemeza mpaka karenga bazana. Reka nkwetu mchara wa rukundo ngabiri zina lya kaka. Oh my beautiful, where are you?
Where are you?
Abatai, ninkuromtima kwa muza, where are you? Alright, oh my beautiful, where are you?
Where are you?
Abatai, ninkuromtima kwa muza, where are you?
Okusiga hiwe tichikubasika. Rukundo yekwenire nejuza tipa. I go follow you, I go find you. Wagumo buziriwe niza kuraguza. Turani wakuruko mucho kubanza. Orahi induko mucho kubanda. Girlfriend bambo tanye huzya. Mpende chire bunga karuta makusa. Utanye shereka bambi utanye shara. I go fight for you my girl. Hey hey.
Alright, oh my beautiful, where are you?
Where are you?
Abatai, ninkuromtima kwa muza, where are you? Alright, oh my beautiful, where are you? Abatai, ninkuromtima kwa muza, where are you? Baby, confess you're my
Agashongoro kakakari hit omubire wako nubaketa orahi okurugowa of course Megaton,
Yeah, Megaton.
Field Marshal, and of course Ray G. Nintekateka, if they were a duo, it would be like bad. It would be like a bad duo. It would be so massive.
Nga.
Maybe like every song they have done together is a hit.
Nana forever. Let it be. Hey, the cover one too. Mutakantera. But me, I find like if it was a duo.
I just think like every time they mash up Bakoreshi Chirunji. Anyways,
Duo ya Megaton. Nebaswa Truth. Cause like he has that same energy. Like Truth of rapping. Yes, but Ray G, nah.
Like, you feel like Ray J and Truth would make a beautiful duo.
No, Megatron, Megaton Field Marshal.
But in music, you
and
cannot
Truth.
No, never. The only reason why Radio and Weasel were nice were because one was melodic, other person was doing other stuff. Like you can't be on the same pace. One has to do something. Be the hard guy.
Because I'm not an artist, but me, I don't see any nice duo.
You have issues with Megaton. We will find out.
No, not Megaton. I have issues with Rage.
Hey. We will find out. You are welcome to the show. Organization your program and I be Shiva, of course. Simba GK, aka the one. Nana.
Lala, the vibe.
Shimiram Nunga. All the time I tell you Akire Kanyu. And we are very excited because Arizona Rakana to tell where Sugar Wabber injury is over. This is a time where Lala comes around and this
is the time where I judge music from the West because it's the only time I get. It's the only day in a week that I get to talk out to judge and I be like, beautiful.
Still I told you that I was Osime Bakamabit, our Tekamaka Center.
No, Dr. Kanox Bakamabit about Westlink Beauty Shop.
Yes.
Westlink Beauty Shop near Duka Yonka, Omulimbara, Erukwasa Ganibia, darling.
Yeah.
Any products that you need concerning darling, you could have a Westlink Beauty Shop. Nwashanjiwa Abu Dhabi Arcade, Garage Street.
Yes.
A room number takajuza Abu Dhabi Arcade. Olonde the only shop that has darling products. Kandi bagaraka bakuja iwori yokwe oyikwenda kutandika business yawe ya saloon no basa kubichira bakugambire obintu bokutandika kubasa kutandika nabo bucheche but the ones that are very very essential in the shop. Kandi akabeyi nesheko bine wholesale na retail na nabo ryokwe hare orukwebuza nyo kandi kamwenje ibintu yaza kunyika bata niba delivering at your doorstep bine transporter kwa transporting things from this side from Barra up to kamwenje even up to Kigali na wabo ya TV oryo wa Kigali no yenda ko saba Westlake Beauty Shop no basa kushemena kufune namba zaba hasi zirimo zabaho namba zaba zesimu obatere obasa kwano kosa order yawe ningaruka sima abantu bani bita ba Haropa Travel Consultants abatwatanise byo mu kintu cyentambara think mase cyentambara kuruga katete kuzaka ko no cyentambara kuruga Uganda kaza Dubai kaza Netherlands anywhere that you want to go ye kwasa wa travel consultants na wasakufunira passports akabekeshe kona na visa yes akabekeshe kandi bagakabagame mtende yo kwetaga kora mukoreba ngo waraba ha airport otagizire buzububona yes no babasa kwa consulting tugambera aba prudential
well tinabanya bitu aba prudential assurance kandi betwa kuzengwa aba nobunga bushime kwa noisiga nuk assuringa ebintu byawe you can assure amagara gawe emotoka yawe land anything you can get at any moment ebyo kuboine kwenda ngu future yabana bawe kaya omukazi wawe bebe biri birungi. When I say that I don't only mean that it's only men who have to secure their children's future. Niyo mkazi oriyoko you can still join prudential assurance kwenda ngabana bawo obatebeka nseje kurunji munonga. You don't need actually to first way to have children to do that. You can still mwana wa mzire alichari muto utanka kumpura ninjira. By the time mwana unaza kwa campus iris taine bakumubinga shomero manyasi kofizi umwana kaza mukujabira everything is secured ninga magara gawe nomanya kukwija nokura no simyaka 5 nkaga amagara ngaje nanga bamabi niwo warwara mwishiwe zirwaro za burizo.
The more you grow the more you become young. Yes, that's the same.
Sure.
Ukakokura utandika kutambura hachiti. You can no longer support your body. Kusa pampers bine kuna so that the more you grow the more you become young.
Mwana kugira ngo yetantare ibintu kebyo kugaza abana bawo kuganza you can save little money for your life kwenda wa mawarwara aboneka kandi kawe hari ambakora then banyoni bitaba bizire na campaign yawo nyamurunje iba kweta safe steps ntwenda kubasiba munonga wente katika nkeji safe steps bali no bayamba ababoda okubijusya ebintu bashimukana bakora rukudo things they need to carry on the road things they used to they have to be keen about then babe desana no ka first aid ekintu ekitushemirirwe munonga zo lala na tesangu nanawa taxi muchongereyo abantu bitwa prudential mwekwatanisa n'aba Red Cross nani mbeshengereza ka campaign hakeyongero kataka komaba
ka campaign kabura no shaka bishikire kandi kabasitamiremo kandi baki